Tab 1686. Again, it is all good na. It's all fixed na. Pero I don't want anyone to start working yet. Okay? Wala muna magtatrabaho dyan. Post for a bit. Bigyan nyo muna sa akin yung oras na to. Hihiramin ko. Excuse. Tab 1686. Okay? Tab 1686. Naglo-loading pa ang shit. Ako naman. Tab 1686. Meron po tayong 280,000 maps sa labeler side. Meron tayong 232,000 sa filter side. Pero I don't want you guys to be working on the filter tab or filter side for now. I want you guys to work on the labeler side first before shifting on the filter side. Am I clear sa part na yan? Okay. So ano yung rules ng tab 1686 which is existing building repair project? Yung rules po natin napakasimple. For example, yung kulay blue na yan ng mga bahay, once it is a residential building, regardless kung ano yung shape niya, if ever man wasak yan, sira yan, hindi yan aligned sa bahay, guys, newbies, please take notes. Kahit hindi yan aligned sa bahay, kahit shifted yan na napakalayo, wag na wag yung gagalawin yan. Please lang. Okay? I don't want you guys to fix that. Kahit naka-shifted yan, kahit malayo na yan sa bahay, please do not touch those. Okay? Wala kayong gagawin sa kulay blue na yan. Basta residential, tititigan nyo lang. Yung hahanapin nyo lang sa residential areas are grounds. Clear grounds. Ano po yung clear grounds? Once yung label nasa kalsada, nasa ground, na flat, na walang kung ano mang nakaharang sa kanya, that is a ground. So, kailangan natin i-select and then i-delete. Okay? Pero once yung label na kulay blue is nasa ilalim ng puno, do not dare to delete those. Okay? Wag na wag yung i-delete. That would be such a waste of time and at the same time, mali pa. Okay? Am I clear sa part na yan?
Yes,
sir, yung residential building kulang. Yung residential building hati. May miss part. Wag na wag yung gagalawin. Wag na wag yung i-edit. Wag na wag yung i-attempt na ayusin. Okay? So for this map, for this specific map, wala akong nakikita dito dapat ayusin kasi kulay blue lahat ng residential. So this is all good to go. Okay? So this is for me to submit the map. Okay? Change into next map. This again, all kulay blue, submit that. Wala kayong aayusin dyan. Okay? Puro residential yan. For this map, as you can see, meron tayo dito caravans and then grounds. Ano po yung caravans, sir? Caravans are most likely cars or trailer trucks or RVs. Alam niyo yung RV? Yung mga trailer trucks sa likod ni Optimus Prime or sa likod ng mga trucks which is kinakargahan ng mga kung ano-anong mga bagay. Those are trailer trucks. We have to delete those kasi hindi po iyan residential building or commercial buildings, hindi po yan na tinitirhan ng mga tao. Okay? So for this case, kapag clear talaga, all we need to do is to select and then delete. Okay? Hindi natin kailangan i-label yan. Those will be labeled as fake buildings. Same as here. For this one, nasa ilalim nga siya ng puno, pero clearly, nakikita nyo rin naman yung paligid niya. Wala bahay dyan. So for this one, select, delete. Okay? And in this case, eto, wala din tong bahay. Kahit kasi i-shift natin yan, ilagay natin yan sa bahay na yan, hindi magkapareho yung shape nila. So clearly, this is a ground. So we have to delete that. Red labels. If naka-encounter kayo ng red labels, yung rules natin dyan is napakasimple. Okay? Ignore cut residential houses. do multi-layer for red buildings which is sira. Okay? Hindi mamaya yung, sir, multi-layer, ikaw yung gumawa. Trabaho nyo yan, guys. Sinasahuran kayo para dyan. Hindi ko gagawin. Ginawa ko yan nung last, pero yung iba ni Sanay, so hindi ko yan gagawin para sa inyo ngayon. If ever nakakuha kayo ng multi-layer buildings, nakapasa kayo sa building repair training, that is for you guys to work on. Okay? So for this map, as you can see, meron siyang missed part dito sa may shadowing part. So all I have to do is to snap letter H and then label that part and then group. Okay? That's, and as simple as that, tapos na yung building na yan. And isa pa, yung mga wall error sa residential areas, ignore. Tapos, yung mga cut residential buildings, ignore pa rin. Okay? Napakasimple ng rules natin, guys. Huwag nyo na pahirapan yung sarili nyo, kakahanap ng error mamaya kapag kayo nagtrabaho. Sir, ano po yung kulay maroon? Meron pa talagang iba na medyo sobrang nagkakaproblema po sa mga ganyan. Yung kulay maroon ng mga bahay na po na iyan, or kulay brown, ayan po ay sa mapa ng kapitbahay. So wala po tayong authority para gawin yan. Hayaan natin yan. Leave it alone as it is. Okay? No need to touch those. No need to examine or no need to check that. Okay? So all we need to do is to check for blue buildings, which is grounds, and then red labels, which is which has a big errors. Ayun lang. So para sa mapa na to, pasa. For missed building, pag nakakita kayo ng missed building, so yung gagawin na natin is to draw that building or draw that residential house kung merong missed. So for this one, I'll just submit this kasi puro to residential and then kulay blue lahat. Okay, meron palang ground, sorry. May ground dito, so select, delete, pasa. For this one, residential buildings, again. So all I have to do is to find missing building or ground for this map. Kasi kulay blue lahat, di ba? So hanapin ko na lang is ground or residential houses. So double check ko to. Okay, wala. Submit. Guys, pag pumasok kayo sa map na ganito, medyo mabagal pag nag-zoom in tayo. Okay, medyo mabagal pag nag-zoom in tayo. Uugod-ugod yung system. So yung pinakamadaling gawin natin is to click letter R, tanggalin natin yung toggle, tapos tsaka tayo mag-zoom in. Okay, para mas madali yung zoom in, zoom out natin. And for the checking of maps, I suggest huwag kayong mag-zoom in too much sa ating mapa. Yung sakto lang, nakita yung kabuuan ng grid sa isang screen. Kasi kapag nag-zoom in kayo ng sobra and then move kayo ng move, eventually guys, yung oras nyo tatakbo rin ng tatakbo. Okay? So I suggest ganito lang kalaki, okay na yan. Yung makita nyo lang yung paligid. So for this map, kagaya na to, as you can see, this is ground. So select, delete, ground, delete. For this one, meron na siyang kulay blue na label, tapos may nakadikit na kulay red. Okay? So yung kulay red na ito, wala na itong kwenta. So all we need to do is to select and then delete. Hindi natin kailangan yan. Okay? So lipat tayo sa kabilang grid. Double check natin. For this one, select that label, which is grounds, and then delete. This one, again, delete, delete. Guys, yung mga, as you can see sa mga newbies, yung dinidelete ko po is yung kulay red lang. Kasi yung kulay red, those are building repair. Okay? And iba yung benchmark ng building repair. 800 features lang yung kailangan natin dyan para makapag 75 pesos tayo. Pero sa mga kulay blue, yung kailangan natin dyan is 4,000 labels para makapag 75 pesos tayo. Pero usually, wala tayong ginagawa sa mga kulay blue na building na yan. Ini-ignore na lang natin. Kasi most likely, those are residential buildings lang din. Okay? Backyard houses is for us to ignore regardless. So delete these grounds. Delete that ground. And then as you can see, guys, Pag di-delete na lang ng ground, yung ginagawa ko dito. Okay? Kasi wala din namang residential houses which is kulay red para ayusin. Napakaraming grounds lang talaga. So, wag itong imimiss mamaya after 10 years or newbies man. Please lang. Baka mamaya marami namin grounds ako makikita. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-zoom in para sa grounds na yan, guys. Pwede nyo yung i-delete kahit malayo. Alam nyo rin naman siguro na walang bahay na nakadikit sa bahay na ganyan, di ba? Common sense. Malayo pala, makikita nyo na rin naman yung itsura niyan. No need to zoom in. Okay, this one, parking lot, select, delete. This backyard house, select, delete kasi hindi iyan bahay. And then, I'm done. Hindi ko na chinek yung mga kulay blue kasi those are all okay na. Pasa. Lipat sa kabilang maps. So for this map, yung benchmark nandyan sa gilid ng screen mo mamaya pag nag-pull ka. Magbasa ka, meron dyang banner. Kakasabi ko lang, makinig muna kayo sa training. Salita kayo ng salita, mamaya pag nagtrabaho na kayo, puro kayo tanong din. Ayan na, umaangat na yung dugo ko. Sige, patuloy nyo. Keep it up. Maaga pa tayo matatapos mamaya. Sige kayo. So again, kapag nakakuha kayo ng residential houses, which is naka-cut guys, or ganito, hindi na merge, ignore na lang yan. Huwag niyong gagalawin. Sir, kulay blue pero may miss part yung gagawin ko, ganito yung gagawin ko. Tama ba yan guys? Is it correct?
No, sir.
Hindi, sir.
Okay, so for this one, this building guys, as you can see, wala naman tong gap. 'Di ba? Wala siyang gap, isa lang siyang bahay, extension lang to. So this part should be deleted na lang din. Kasi kahit ano pa yung itsura ng kulay blue na house, kahit may missing part pa yan, regardless ng shape kung ano pa, hindi natin kailangan i-edit. So wala tayong gagalawin dyan kahit may missing part. Okay? Once na it is a residential building. So for ground, again, delete. This one, nakadikit. Sir, paano pag nakadikit yung sa kulay maroon? Kakasabi ko lang, yung kulay maroon or kulay brown na yan, para yan sa kapitbahay. So kapag nakadikit din yung label natin dyan, delete that label kasi that is a ground na automatic. So for this map, wala na rin akong aayusin. Ito pa pala, may ground pa, i-delete ko na lang. Wala na rin akong aayusin, submit the map. So for this map, sa isang to, meron residential house which is kulay red, naka-cut. Pero yung pagkaka-label niya is acceptable naman, so I have to ignore that. Okay? This one, ground, select, delete. This one, ambiguous, nasa ilalim ng puno. Low quality tayo, no need to fix na rin yan. Usually, or most likely, parang pasa na lang tayo ng pasa dito, basta i-delete nyo lang yung grounds. Ayun lang yung masasabi ko. Pasa. So, to sum things up, guys, yung rules natin. First, number 1, kung nag-take note kayo, ano yung number 1?
Ignore blue residential building.
Ignore blue residential buildings. Number 2,
Delete grounds with label.
delete
Delete
ground.
ground.
Number 3,
Fix big changes on the big building.
fix
Building.
big changes on the big buildings. Number 4, binigyan niyo naman binigyan ng
Ayun na raw kay Christy,
binigyan ni
boss.
binigyan ni Madam Christie sila ng tips
Ayun.
Nako!
Bilis ni ma'am, bilis.
I was making note.
Dapat di mo pinakita yan.
Binigyan ng
Tinatanong nga ni
kodigo.
Sir Chuck eh.
I was making
Nauna
note.
naman sir yung yung dalawang 3 parts bago na
Ay
ipin.
nako, magkape ka.
Ano na, Sir AJ?
Nauna naman sir
Hello.
tatlong sagot nila bago na i-paste yung ano sir. Yung ano.
Okay. Ito pa. Number 4, ignore walls